Okay. Now this is 8 multiplied by 2.1. Ignore the point and can you please do the multiplication now? 8 ones is 8. 8 twos are 168 is the answer.
Yes. Ma'am, but I still do not understand how to multiply.
Okay. What is 8 multiplied by 21, Aisha? What is 8 multiplied by 21? Simple multiplication. 21 multiplied by 8. 8 ones are gives me 8. 8 twos are is 16. Correct?
Yes.
So 168 is my answer. But now because
Ma'am,
I have a point.
Yes.
Because I have a point here. And after point, how many numbers are there? 1.
Then you'll do 8 ones are.
So I will put decimal point here. So
Ma'am,
16.8.
Ma'am, then you'll do 8 ones are 8. And then
Yes, I told you when you multiply, ignore the point. First thing, that is 2.1. So we can just write 21 multiplied by 8. 168 is our answer. Check where is the decimal point, 2.1. So after point, I only have one number here. So from the left hand side, you will move to one.
Ma'am, so I'll do 8 ones are 8 and then 8
that's 16.
and then 8 to the 16 and then 16.8
Yes.
is the
So
answer.
168 is my answer.
Ma'am,
That is right. But now, why did you add?
Decimal point in the answer like 160, 116.
Because we have a decimal point here. One whole number is getting multiplied with the decimal
You
number.
ignore, but ma'am,
So
but
now
you
I have a
ignored the decimal point.
Yeah, that is for you all to understand better, Aisha. See, now 2.1 is there. Without, I told you, ignore that decimal point for some time. So once you multiply 2.1 by 8, 168 is my answer, correct? Now because
Yes.
I'm multiplying the whole number with the decimal number.
If you divide 8 multiplied by 21 also you get the same answer, right?
Yes, but now we are talking about multiplication. So 8 multiplied by 2.1 gives me 16.8. How? For first thing I told you, whenever you all have a whole number or whenever you all have two decimal number, ignore the point for some time. Do not forget the point. Ignore the point for some time.
And can you give one more sum?
Yes, sure. 1 minute. Okay. Now next number I will take 3.3 multiplied by 3. Now, for example, you ignore this point for some time. So this will become.
Ma'am, can you write it on top? I cannot see.
Okay, 1 minute. Here, it is 3.3 multiplied by 3. Okay. How will I write?
Ma'am, so you will do 3. 3 threes are 9.
99.
3 threes are 9. And then
Again, 3
3
are
threes are
9.
99.
Now I have to check how many numbers. Now because I have multiplied a whole number with the decimal number, my answer has to be in a decimal number only. I have to check how many numbers.
9.9.
So this will be 9.9. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. I understood now.
Everybody?
Yes.
Umar?
Yes.
Can you give more sums, please?
Yes, I will give you. Any doubt? Now this was one whole number multiplied with the decimal number. Now let us see what happens when you multiply two decimal numbers. Now I have 2.2 multiplied by 1.1. What will happen? I will write, first thing I told you,
Ma'am,
ignore
first
the
you write
point.
22 multiplied by 11.
11. So 22.
So ma'am, I can't see.
What is my answer when I multiply 22 by 11? Can you all tell me the
22.
answer?
22.
22. It is 22 multiplied by 11.
I'm 242.
Correct. 242. Zaveria.
Ma'am, you will add a decimal point. It will be 2.42.
Excellent. Yes. We have one number here after the decimal point, and you have one more number here after the decimal point. So together you have two numbers. So you will shift two places from the left and you will add a decimal point. Understood?
Yes.
So when you have two decimal numbers multiplying by each other, first thing you have to ignore that we have a decimal point. And what you will do, you will simply multiply the number. Then you have to be careful that where we will place the decimal point. So if you have one whole number multiplied by another decimal point, that time the decimal point, the place of the decimal point will be different. But you have two decimal numbers. Now, for example, let us take the same number. Again, 2.2 multiplied by 11. The answer is going to be 242. But your where the decimal point
Ma'am,
is
but
going to
here
be
you will put decimal point. It will be 24.2.
24.2. Okay. Now I'll give you few sums. Can you all do that
Ma'am,
by your
rub
own?
everything. Ma'am, rub
Yes,
everything.
I'm rubbing everything.
Ma'am, I cannot see your full board.
Now I'll
Yes,
just
I
write the
can see.
sum. Yes, Umar Hamza, Aisha Kazi,
Yes,
Umaira.
we can
Any doubt?
Ma'am, nobody will give answer. We will solve together.
Yeah, nobody will give the answer. You all will solve it by yourself. Then one by one, I will ask you. Okay. But as so far as everybody understood,
Yes.
so 8.0 multiplied by 2. Come on, start doing. Multiplied by 3.1.
Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
not understanding the first one.
Simply 8.0 has to be multiplied by 2. I told you first you will ignore the 0. So it will become 80 multiplied by 2. That gives you 160. Now you see where is the decimal point.
Oh, I understood. I understood.
Okay. First, ignore a decimal point and just do a normal multiplication, what we do, and then carefully see where you will place the decimal point.
Ma'am, you have to know where to place the decimal point from the first number or second.
Here I told you we are seeing that after the point that is on the left hand side, after the point we have only one number, right? So we will start here from the left hand side. Now I'll just do the first one. 8 point, for example, 8.0 into 2 is 1.
Ma'am, 80 into 2 is 160.
Yes. So now after the decimal point, I have only one number here. So from the left hand side,
Ma'am, so it will be, ma'am, will it be,
correct, Aisha?
ma'am, I don't, how is it 16.0?
8 2 is 16 and for it, ignore this point now. Okay. What
Ma'am,
is
is it
18
because 0
multiplied by
has
2?
no value?
Yes, but here when you put a decimal point, you have to mention that. Now this is 80. I told you ignore the point. When there is no point, this will be assumed as 80 is 80. So 80 multiplied by 2 will give me 160. Am I right? And now because I
Yes.
had a decimal point here and to the left hand side after the decimal point, we only have 1 0. That is one number. So from the left hand side, I will move one place and I will put the decimal point. Understood? Now here, for example, 14.2 into 3.1. But you all can multiply 142 multiplied by 31, which whatever is your answer, you will move two places.
Ma'am, I
from
still
the
did not understand how to know where to put the decimal point.
Okay, now what is the next number? 100
And for 42 multiplied by 31.
Can you tell me the answer, Aisha?
2.
Tell me the answer.
44.
I told you first, ignore the point.
4402.
402 is my answer. Correct?
Yes.
Ma'am, all done.
Here I have one number after the decimal point.
Yes.
And here also I have one number after the decimal point. So total
Yes.
there are two numbers. So from the left hand side, I will shift towards two places. That is 1 and 2. And I will put the decimal point here. So this will become 44.
Ma'am, that is right hand side.
No, I'm moving to the left hand side. Right hand side.
Ma'am, all done.
Right hand side will be here, Aisha, 1 and 2. But here I'm moving from the left hand side because I am counting this number after the point. Here I have one number after the point to the left hand side. This is your right hand side. And here also I have one number after the point. So 1 and 1 is two numbers. So now from the left hand side, I will move towards two places. This is
For
one.
Malika ma'am, it would be left hand side. For us, for Malika ma'am, it would be left hand side, right? And for us, it would be right hand side, ma'am.
Okay.
No. No, it should. Actually, you should move on from the end, actually. Am I correct, Malika ma'am?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Now 142 into 31 is 4402, right? Now I'm moving from the units place, ma'am. So 1 place and 2 place. So 44.02. So it is
Yes,
left hand
for
side.
us, it is right hand side, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Yes.
It's
It is
right hand side.
right
Yes,
hand
it's right hand side, ma'am.
You will move towards two places. That is 1 and 2, and you'll put a point. This side is left hand. My mistake. I'm so sorry.
Aisha is a very good observer.
Yes. Now next, I have 2, 3, 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Ignore the point and we'll do a normal multiplication.
Ma'am, the answer is 50.842.
Okay. numbers here after the decimal point, and I have one number here after the decimal point. So I will move towards the right hand side from the units place. 3 digits I leave. 1, 2, and 3. So 50.842 is my answer. Aisha, correct?
Yes. Ma'am, I didn't understand still.
You didn't understand still. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I think so she has. Aisha,
Yes.
are you not getting the multiplication or are you not getting the decimal?
I am not understanding how to find out how to put the decimal where.
Okay.
Only with the decimal, right, Aisha? You
Yes.
can
Aisha,
multiply
the
on your own.
numbers after the decimal, like how many numbers are after the decimal point, that numbers you have to count from the right hand side and then put the decimal.
Now, what
Thank
was
you, Aisha Kazi.
now, for example, I'll take a simple number, okay? This is 1.2 multiplied by 2. Now, I told you ignore the point, okay, Aisha? So, this will become 12 multiplied by 2
Yes. It
is
will
equal
be.
to how much? What is 12 multiplied by 2, Aisha Aga? Aisha?
Ma'am, 24.
24, correct. But now I told you ignore the decimal point just for some time. Now because we have this decimal point here, after the point how many numbers are there? 1.
1.
So in my final answer, from the units place, I will move to 1 place here. This is 2.4.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Now also,
Now I can see.
so now here after point you have one number. So we will move one place from the units place to the right hand side, and we will put 1 point because we just have one number after the decimal point. Understood?
Yes. Ma'am, if you have 2 numbers after the decimal point, then you will put the decimal point on the answer after 2 numbers.
Yes. For example, see this is 2.2 multiplied by 1.1. So what
Ma'am,
is
so you will
22?
ignore the decimal point and it will become 22
Yes.
multiplied by 11.
11. That was how much? 242.
242. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, you will put
Now
the
I have
decimal
one number.
point. Ma'am, you will put the decimal point. It will be 2.42 because because after the decimal point only one number is there.
Yeah, here you have one number, and here because they both are decimal numbers, you have to be careful that how many numbers together are there after the decimal. So here you have one number after the decimal point, and here also you have one number after the decimal point. So 1 and
Yes.
1 is 2. So we will move towards the right side and leave 2 places, and we will put this decimal
Ma'am,
point.
but in the first question that you gave, 8.0 multiplied by 2, the answer is 160, but you said the decimal point will come at 16.0, but there's only one number after decimal.
Yes, see only one number no after decimal point. So I have
Yes.
put only after one number only I've put the decimal point. I've moved towards the right. I've just left one number and I've put the decimal point. Sorry, towards the right. I'm so sorry. Yes.
Yes, I
Now
understand.
I do not have any number here with decimal. This is a whole number. So I only have to check how many numbers are here after the decimal point. That many numbers I will shift towards my right. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see the answer?
Okay. Now which one we were doing? The fourth one, right?
Ma'am,
So,
wait, I didn't do the second one yet.
Okay, Aisha, can you do the fourth one for me first, please? That is 14 multiplied by 4.1.
1 minute.
14 multiplied by 41
Yes,
is what,
ma'am.
Aisha?
1 minute. I'm
Yes,
doing
yes,
it.
yes, yes. Aisha, did you get the answer? Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, 574.
Yes. 574 is my answer. Correct. Now, where will I put the decimal point, Aisha?
You will put it. It will be 75.4.
Sorry, it is 57.
Oh, sorry.
57.4.
57.4.
Understood?
Yes.
Now, 5.2 multiplied by 1000 is very simple. If I do 52 multiplied by 1000 will give me 5, 2 and these number of zeros. That is 1, 2 and 3. Now, I again have only one number after the decimal point. So, I will put a decimal point here. Correct? So, 5200.0 is my answer. Correct?
Ma'am, wait. I want to do the third one now.
Third one. Okay.
I mean, second one.
Second, okay, 14.2 multiplied by 31. The rest of them, did you all get a correct answer? Any doubt where to put the decimal
Yes,
point?
all correct.
So when you have any whole number multiplied with a decimal number, it is as simple as we do a normal multiplication. Ignore the point for some time and normally do the multiplication only while putting the decimal point. Be careful that how many numbers are there
Ma'am, I
together.
am proud of the second one.
Okay, so second, ignore the point. It has to be 142 multiplied by 31.
Oh,
Can
I
you do
understood.
multiplication? One hundred and 42 multiplied
I'm
by
doing 1 minute.
Did you get the answer, Aisha?
One minute.
Others have finished, no? Oh.
And the answer is 442. No, 4042. Sorry.
It is
Yeah,
4,402.
4402.
Now how many numbers are here after the decimal point?
1. So it will be, ma'am, it 1. Ma'am, it will be 44. No, 440.2.
No, 44.02. I have one number here after the decimal point, and because
Yes.
the other number is also in decimal, I have to see how many numbers are here also after the decimal point.
So there
here
are two
also one.
numbers, 1 and 2.
Yes. So from
Oh,
the
so
unit place, I move two
44.02.
numbers to the right hand side. That is 1 and 2. So 44.02. Clear, Aisha?
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
What
what was the third question?
1 minute. We have already done the third one, Aisha.
Mama, I did not do.
Oh, I will do it. I will write it again. Can you all do 28 multiplied by 2.2? What will be 28 multiplied by 2.2? Umar?
I'm adding those.
Okay, okay. Humaira? Any doubt?
I'm 61.6.
Yes, 61.6. Aisha, Agar, Zuveria, Hamdan? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I'm adding it. 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Hamdan,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
61.6.
Okay. Now for okay, let Aisha finish. Aisha, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am, the
what is
answer is, ma'am, it is 61.6.
Okay, good. Now just assume, for example, this would not be 28. What if it would be 2.8? Then where your decimal point will come? Then what will be your answer, Zuveria?
What?
Can you tell us? If
Ma'am,
this
then
is
the answer will be
6.16.
6.16.
Zuveria,
Yes.
what would be your answer if this would be 2.8 multiplied by 2.2? If 616, where the decimal point will come?
the decimal
6.16.
Yes, 6.16. Clear? Any doubt? Aisha,
No, it is clear.
it is clear?
Ma'am, the dot.
Okay. I will share few sums in the Google Classroom today for you all to practice. And we will meet
Ma'am,
in
you
the
did
other
not
classes.
send addition and subtraction, ma'am.
What happened, Aisha? I will
You did
share
not-
it in the Google Classroom. First, we will do the multiplication because today is a fresh topic what we learned. So I will share few sums on
Ma'am,
multiplication.
multiplication is very easy.
Okay.
5 sums.
So we will do that, and if
No,
any
give
doubt, we will
more.
definitely solve
Not
in the
only
next
5.
class. Okay.
5. Ma'am, give more.
Okay.
Give 10 sums.
Okay, I'll give you 10 sums. Okay. So for now, shall we end the class? It's already time up.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? I'm sure
Thank
that the topic was clear to you all. How to multiply the decimal number with the whole number and how to multiply
Yes,
both the numbers if they are decimal. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
we'll see you in the other class. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Inform.
Everybody should join at 10:05.
Take your time this week.